Hello children, how are you? Are you fine? Okay, welcome back to our online IT class. Do you remember what we learned in the previous session? Yes, we started with some important electronic devices such as mobile phone, TV, calculator, computer, etc. And after that we learned the types of computer. Can you say what are the different types of computers? Yes, palm top, tablet, laptop, desktop, mainframe and supercomputer. In this session, we are going to study about how to switch on a computer and how to switch off a computer. Let us know how to switch on a computer. At first, you have to switch on main power supply. Then switch on the UPS. UPS means uninterrupted power supply. If there is no electricity, computer will work with the help of UPS. Then switch on the CPU. Finally, switch on the monitor.
When you're feeling blue, you don't know what to do. Boot it up, boot that computer up. When you want some fun and all your homework's
Kliko, what are you doing?
Hi, Rini. I have got some work to do on the computer, so I'm switching it on.
Gosh, I always want to know how to switch on the computer. At school, our teacher always switches on the computer. Can you teach me how to switch on the computer, Kliko?
Sure, Rini. I will tell you steps and you perform the steps.
Yes, Kliko.
First, remove all the covers from the computer and its devices. Now, switch on the main socket button on the switchboard.
Yes, I have pressed the switch on.
Now, switch on the UPS.
Yes, I have pressed the UPS button on. Look, a green light is glowing in the UPS.
Yes, the UPS has powered up now. Now, switch on the CPU power button.
Yes, I have pressed the power button on the CPU. I can hear a faint noise inside the box.
It is the CPU starting up. Now, switch on the monitor button.
Yes, I have switched it on. A green light is glowing, but nothing has appeared on the screen.
Relax, Rini. It may take some time to show the main screen as the system is booting up.
Look, the computer screen desktop is appearing on the monitor.
Yes, the computer is starting up. Look, Rini, this is the mouse pointer. It now looks like an hourglass. It means that the computer is busy and will need some time to start up. Now, the hourglass has changed to the arrow pointer. This means the computer is now ready. We can start working on it. Now, can you remember the steps how to turn on the computer?
Yes, Kliko. I can now always turn on the computer. Thank you for your help.
It's my pleasure to help you.
Now we are going to study about how to switch off a computer. Before studying this, remember one thing. After using, you have to shut down your computer. Don't forget. First, you click on this start button. This is start button. Click there. Then click on this power button. Click on this. Then select shut down. Then switch off the monitor. Next, switch off the UPS. Finally, switch off the main power supply. Before concluding this lesson, let me recap the points which are discussed today. Today we learned about how to switch on and how to switch off a computer. This is a practical session. Don't worry, after reopen, we will do this in our lab. Now we are going to do the remaining activities. All of you take page number 24. Okay, the first activity is rearrange the steps to switch on a computer. How to switch on a computer? Look at these boxes and say, which will be the first box here? Yes. First, you have to turn on main supply. Then this will be the first one. Then, which is the second one? After this, you have to switch on UPS. Then this will be the second block. Then you have to switch on the CPU. Okay, this will be the third one. Finally, you have to turn on the monitor. Okay, the next activity is in page number 24. The question is rearrange the steps to switch off a computer. Do you know how you will switch off a computer? Already the first one is here. Start button is the first one. Which is the second button here? Yes, that is power button. This is the second one. Then you have to select the shutdown button from the list. After that, you have to switch off the monitor. Then you have to switch off the UPS. Okay, this will be the fifth one. Finally, you have to switch off the main supply. Yes, this will be the sixth one. Okay. Now you all take page number 26. The activity is stick related pictures. Before doing this, you have to take these pictures from the back side. Then look at these pictures and say, which one is telephone? Yes, this is telephone. Take that and paste. The next is television. Look here carefully and say, which is television? Yes, this is television. Take and paste. The next is mobile phone. Which is the mobile phone here? This is the mobile phone. Take and paste here. The fourth one is laptop. Which is laptop? This is the laptop. Then take and paste. The next is tablet computer. Here, which is the tablet computer? This is the tablet computer. Then paste it. Parents and students, please note, there is a printing mistake in the textbook. Instead of giving the photo of the DVD player, in the textbook it is given camera. You may please cut the word DVD player and write down camera here. Then paste this picture here. The next activity is connect with a related function. Do you know what is the use of this calculator? Yes, calculator is used to do calculations. So draw lines from calculator to calculation. Okay. Then what is the use of this telephone? Yes, telephone is used to call friends. Then draw lines from telephone to call friends. Then the next is television. What is the use of this television? Television is used to watch movies. Then draw a line from television to watch movies. The last one is speaker. What is the use of this speaker? Speaker is used to listen music. Then draw one line from here to here. Our last activity is stick as on the picture. Before doing this, you take all stickers from here. Ready? Okay. Take this sticker and paste here. The second one is this one. Paste here. Third one is this. Our first row, okay. In second row, the first one is this one. Paste here. Second one, this, and paste here. Take this sticker and paste here. Okay, second row finished. The last row is, first one is this picture. Take this and paste here. Second one, this one. We are going to finish this using the last sticker. Okay. Now we made a beautiful computer. This is enough for today's class. Keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next class. Bye.